Hello and welcome to our channel, where we provide valuable tips and insights about personal finance and wealth management. Today, we're discussing one of the most important topics for many of us: how to make money safely. In this video, we'll cover some of the most effective and secure ways to increase your income so you can achieve your financial goals and build a better future for yourself and your loved ones. Number 1. Savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDS. One of the safest ways to grow your money is by keeping it in a savings account or a CD. These types of accounts offer low risk and guaranteed returns, making them a great option for those who want to build their emergency fund or save for a specific goal. The interest rates on savings accounts and CDS are generally higher than those of checking accounts, so you can earn more on your money without having to take on any significant risk. Number 2. Dividend-paying stocks. Another way to make money safely is by investing in dividend-paying stocks. These stocks are issued by companies that pay out a portion of their profits to their shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing in high-quality, dividend-paying stocks, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to worry about the ups and downs of the stock market. Just make sure to do your research and choose companies that have a history of consistently paying dividends. Number 3. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. If you're interested in real estate investment, REITs are another safe option. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance real estate properties and pay out a portion of their income to investors as dividends. By investing in REITs, you can get exposure to the real estate market without having to deal with the complexities of managing a property yourself. REITs are also relatively low risk, as they tend to be diversified across many different properties and locations. Number 4. Bond funds. Bond funds are another way to make money safely. Bonds are essentially loans that are issued by governments, corporations, or other entities. When you invest in a bond fund, you're lending your money to these entities, and in exchange, you receive a fixed return on your investment. Bond funds are generally considered low risk, as the returns are relatively stable and predictable. Number 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is another way to make money safely. This type of lending involves lending money directly to individuals or small businesses, bypassing traditional financial institutions. By lending your money through a peer-to-peer platform, you can earn higher returns than you would with traditional savings accounts or CDS. However, it's important to do your research and choose a reputable platform, as there's always some risk involved in lending money to individuals. Number 6. Renting out a room or property. Renting out a spare room in your home, or an additional property you own, can be a simple and low-risk way to make money. You can use platforms like Airbnb to find short-term renters, or you can rent out the space on a longer-term basis. This can provide a steady stream of passive income, as well as help you pay off your mortgage or other expenses. Just be aware that there may be local regulations and taxes to consider, and you'll need to make sure you have proper insurance in place. Number 7. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to earn money by leveraging your skills and expertise. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, you can find clients from around the world who are in need of your services. You can work from home, set your own hours, and only take on projects that interest you. Freelancing can provide a flexible and low-risk way to make money, as you only get paid for the work you complete. There are also many online platforms, such as Upwork or Fiverr, that make it easy to find clients and start freelancing. Number 8. Selling products online. Selling products online, either through a marketplace like Amazon or Etsy, or on your own website, can be a low-risk way to make money. You can sell products you make yourself, such as handmade jewelry or crafts, or items you purchase wholesale. Online marketplaces make it easy to start selling, as they handle payment processing and shipping, while also providing a platform for you to reach a large audience. To maximize your chances of success, focus on finding a niche market, creating high-quality products, and building a strong online presence through social media and advertising. Number 9. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services to your followers and earning a commission for any sales that result from your referrals. This can be done through a blog, website, or social media platform. Affiliate marketing can be a low-risk way to make money, as you don't have to invest in inventory or handle shipping. You simply promote the products you believe in and earn a commission for any sales that result. To succeed in affiliate marketing, you'll need to build a large and engaged following, and choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Number 10. Taking surveys. Participating in online surveys can provide a small, but steady stream of income. Companies pay for your opinions on products and services, and you can do this in your free time from anywhere. There are many online survey companies, such as Swagbucks or Survey Junkie, that pay you for completing surveys. While the money you earn from taking surveys won't make you rich, it can provide a little extra cash each month, and the work is very flexible and low risk. To maximize your earnings, sign up with several survey companies and be sure to complete your profile so you're eligible for the highest paying surveys. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money safely, and the best option for you will depend on your personal financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment experience. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, investing for the future, or trying to earn a passive income, these 5 options are a great place to start. Just remember to do your research, seek professional advice if needed, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.